On December 1st, we observe World AIDS Day here in West Hollywood and internationally. For more on how the City of West Hollywood is combating this epidemic, we're exploring the HIV Zero initiative for this month's Mic Drop. HIV and AIDS are among the world's most serious health problems. Since 1981, approximately 77 million people have been infected with HIV, and tens of millions have died of AIDS-related causes. HIV and AIDS have had a significant impact on the city of West Hollywood, and since the mid-80s, our city was one of the first government entities to provide social services grants to local HIV and AIDS organizations. Continuing in this tradition, the City of West Hollywood has implemented HIV Zero, which aims to reduce HIV infection, progression, discrimination, and stigma to zero. So in honor of World AIDS Day, we met up with Dr. Aaron Celius to learn more about this ambitious initiative.
So there are really two broad approaches that we're using. One of the big tactics is we want the entire community, regardless of their HIV status, to have greater access to healthcare. We know now that when someone is virally suppressed, and they're undetectable, the capacity to transmit is significantly reduced.
When it comes to preventative care, an important resource is medications such as PrEP, which drastically reduce one's ability to contract HIV from others.
We've made so many advances in medicine now. If someone is taking their medicine regularly and they have reduced viral load, they're not really able to transmit HIV to someone else. So this is an incredible time to, I won't say live with HIV, but that we're living in. We now have the first generation of people who are HIV positive and aging.
While combating HIV from a medical approach is crucial, it's just one way the HIV Zero initiative is dealing with this disease. For Celius, who earned a PhD in sociology from the University of Michigan, addressing the stigma associated with HIV and AIDS is equally important.
Tackling stigma is important so that people don't feel ashamed and they realize that they're not alone, there are solutions, and there's a community. What I really appreciate about the HIV Zero initiative and the effort that the city is making is to make it so people feel included, that they're told you're part of the community, regardless of your HIV status. If you have HIV, that's fine. We have resources for you, and the community embraces you.
Commemorating World AIDS Day is but one way our community can embrace and honor those we've lost to AIDS. But we can also hope that, at least in the city of West Hollywood, those casualties will be the last.